Okay, hey guys, this is Ryan. Cousins are here today, but it's just gonna be me. I'm playing Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's get going with night one. Freddy Fazbear's Based Pizza. Family Pizzeria looking for a security guard. Work night shift, 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Monster camera to shift safety equipment and characteristic animals. Okay, everything seems good. Okay.
Finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact. So I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I can tell you there's nothing to worry about.
Are you sure?
So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. And it's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Thank you.
Magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage, property,
Why would we need that?
or death of the current. A missing person report will be filed within 90 days when we can spot the premises and thoroughly clean the police and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah.
Hey, that's rude. Jump the whole thing.
But there's really nothing to worry about.
Are you sure? Cause like, I see people play it and they end up dying. Hey, I'm still a kid and I like it. I only been to that place once. Why do I need to show them respect? They don't show me any respect. Why don't you just turn it off? They're free roaming. Just turn them off. How hard is that? What? Okay. No, check your cameras. Nothing. Whoa. Why would they see me like that? Touch his nose! Yeah! Okay, so yeah. I don't know any. I'm gonna. No. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh my god! She wants pizza! Somebody give her pizza! Oh, he's gone. Pizza. Bonnie, is that you in there? Bonnie, is that you in the middle? Oh yeah, she's 10 years. Yeah. Okay. Chica, you still want pizza? Oh my god, never mind. You don't want. You're coming for me. You want pizza? But I am not pizza. I don't have any pepperonis on me. Does it look like I have any pepperonis on me? Oh god. That's scary. Wait, what? What did I just do, guys? I clicked on Chica's nose and it... Done! Whatever that thing was. Chica, your nose blinks too? What did I do there? What? What was that? What was the purpose of that? I clicked on his nose. I clicked on her nose. Okay, Bonnie's gone. Is she away from my door? She's still there, but... What did I do? What happened here? I clicked on her eye or nose. Something. What happened? Oh my god. I'm running out of power. I think I'll survive. Oh my god, Bunny, whatever you are. Yay! Wait. Second, okay guys, I'll do this one probably tomorrow. So, bye.